Last but not least is aesthetic appeal. I have briefly touched on this in one of the other videos, is how companion planting can improve how your garden looks, that it can look so abundant and so beautiful by adding flowers that not only add beauty but they add benefits of repelling or attracting. They add in scents and they smell divine. And you've got here, like in my garden, the borage and the calendula, and I've got the garlic. But it looks so beautiful, but yet it's providing so many more benefits than just beauty. That is one of the abundant benefits and incredible wonders of companion planting. So you've got the aesthetic appeal of, marigolds and tomatoes, how the marigolds in their bright, vibrant orange just look so beautiful around your tomatoes. And then you have the basil and the fragrance of the basil, or the flowers there with it as well. You have lavender and rosemary, which add a lot of benefits to your garden, but they look gorgeous. And you've got the flavors as well, and their abundant, wonderful beauty. Zinnias and cucumbers. Zinnias are another pollinator flower that I forgot to mention, and they are just so beautiful, and they help with the cucumbers, and it complements the green, and then you can have colour in your garden, not just green. Got the colour, and a lot of what I grow is medicinal in a way as well. So I'm making a face balm at present. I'm making some calendula oil with some of these sitting on the windowsill, and so many medicinal benefits of the flowers as well. You can use like the calendula or the borage or the nasturtium. And you've also got things like petunias and peppers. Petunias add the splash of colour to your peppers, and also repels pests. So with the beauty, and having a general principle for me is I'll have like the main crop in the middle, and then I'll have like an outer crop, and then I'll have on the outside I'll have like my flowers and my herbs, because the outer square will repel anything that's not beneficial, or it'll attract in to be able to pollinate what's in the middle, and it's utilizing all of the space efficiently. So yes, the color adds beauty, the aesthetic appeal, so many benefits, and also against the lush greenness. Dico, come, what are you doing? Lush greenness, and providing so much attractive foliage, adding to your garden's full sensory appeal. The sensory appeal, when you're wanting to get grounded, or you're wanting your children to come out, just simply touching a herb, or smelling one of the flowers, or smelling one of the herbs, and just touching them, and even just looking at them and engaging all senses, is such a beautiful grounding activity for you, for your family, for those around you who visit. Such a wonderful, you can call it like a Zen garden, a Zen space, because it engages every single sense. So gardening and companion planting is so much more than just planting a plant. So I really, really encourage you to use the tips and tricks and the combinations in this video. Any questions, of course, let me know. And I hope you have found loads of benefit from what I've shared. It's such a wonderful, vibrant, incredible gift to know and share about companion planting. So yes, any questions, let me know, and I'll see you all again soon.